Hi, so today we are going to be learning how to pronounce two words, BED and BIRD. BED is a simple word, it's a monosyllabic word, it is easy to pronounce. It is simply called bed. Bed. The letter E in this word has the same sound as letter E in egg. But when we say BIRD, the sound of the letters IR will not be the same as the sound of the letter E in bed. So how should we pronounce it? The sound of IR is Okay, it has the same sound as what you have in GIRL called girl. So it therefore means that BIRD should be pronounced as bird. Bird. BED is pronounced as bed. BIRD is pronounced as bird. Let me hear you try it. BED is what? Bed. BIRD is what? Bird. Thank you. Bye.